Are you looking into buying a new computer and can't decide between buying a pre-built system or custom building your own? Today I'm going to share some information with you that might help you decide. Stick around till the end of the video and make sure you get it all. Hello and welcome to A Better Tech. Thanks for sharing your time with me. Make sure you like and subscribe or I'll have to steal your RAM. So you're looking at buying a new computer and you can't decide if you want to get a pre-built system or if you want to custom build your own. Today I'm going to tell you some differences that might be helpful to you. First, I'll show you the difference in prices. As you can see here, I brought it this Alienware Aurora gaming desktop. It's got an Intel Ultra 7 processor, an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4060, 32 gig of RAM, and a 1 terabyte NVMe SSD. It also comes with a 500 watt platinum rated PSU. It's a good looking system, and as you can tell, it's got a decent price on it, and it's got great specs for doing just about anything you can think of. It'll play the latest AAA games, I'm sure, and I'm sure it would work quite well for video editing. Then if you look at PC Part Picker here, I went through and I built a comparable system. I gave it the same processor, the Intel Ultra 7. I picked this cooler based on price. Of course, that could be adjusted to fit your budget. You can see the motherboard here, the 32 gig of RAM, 1 terabyte SSD, and I picked the PNY RTX 4060 Ti, essentially the same video card that's in that Dell. You can see the case here as well. Take a look at that case and compare how it looks. I think a better looking case. And I picked a 750 watt power supply since the 500 wasn't available. And PC Part Picker suggests that this system, the way it's built, would require at least 460 watts. You certainly don't want to max out your power supply while you're using your computer. As you can see here, there's quite a bit of a price difference. $500 could be significant for some. One thing to consider about these pre-built systems, they don't always include high-end components. Manufacturers build these devices to save themselves money and sell them at cheaper prices to you. When you custom build your own PC, you're able to pick the parts you want. That way you get the quality that you need. Another thing to consider, if you look at this case, it's not a bad looking case, but if you want to customize this in any way, my guess is that the internals are not going to leave a lot of room for doing much of anything. Manufacturers are getting better with their system, but that's certainly one thing you want to keep in mind when you're looking for a system. The computer I use, I actually bought at a local micro center. It was put together and built for me. But as you can tell here, this uses a standard case, and it's got quality components in it. Granted, this is a Ryzen 5, which is not good comparison to this Ultra 7, but it is a good quality processor. It came with 32 gig of RAM. Of course, I've upgraded it to 48. This 4060 graphics card that I have works great for what I do. I play games with my grandson and I do video editing. It has plenty of processing speed to do what I need it to do. The 1 terabyte SSD that came in it is a quality drive, but it's certainly not enough space for what I do. I've added in extra drives for backup and other storage. So yeah, these pre-built systems are convenient. You just want to make sure that you get one that's got a decent size case that has enough room for you to customize if you need to. A lot of manufacturers have created cases that are proprietary to their systems, and it makes it difficult to upgrade or customize it for yourself. A custom-built system can be a lot of fun though. Picking out your individual parts and then building your system is a great way to learn a lot about computers. Unfortunately, sometimes you have to be mindful of the price. Pre-built systems can be a viable option for a lot of users, but in my opinion, there's really nothing that compares to a custom-built system. Picking the right components and building your own system ensures that it will last for many years to come. Pre-built systems are nice because they're plug and play. You unbox it, you plug it in, and you're up and running in no time. Custom-built systems, yeah, they take a little more work, but you can learn quite a bit from it. If you need maximum customization and performance, a custom-built system is the way to go. Essentially, you'll want to get what works for you and what fits in your budget. If you like this content, make sure you check out my other videos. I provide plenty of information for getting the most out of your computers and other digital electronics. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.